In this video, we'll take a look at how barcodes can be used as cover sheets and how we can use any of the barcode values for file naming and folder creation. We'll also take a look at some of the filters that we can use to eliminate barcodes that we may not want to be working with. So here you can see we have three barcodes: an item, a lot, and a quantity. So let's say we want to use the item as a folder name and we want the lot to be the file name. So we go into our settings and our document settings, and we want to set the first barcode and create a directory off of it and use the second barcode as the file name. We can use any of the predefined scripts within the system. That includes field names, dates, times, and sequence numbers. So when we go to our splitting, process the splits, it will show us visually which pages are going to become splits, add them to the tree, and then we can look at our results on each of those splits by clicking on it. If for some reason we don't want this third barcode, we can use some of the filters, in particular the minimum length, and we can also look and use the splitting if contains. So to just turn our minimum length up a little bit beyond the size of that one we want to ignore, and go back and process our splits again. And now we only have two barcodes recognized.